SMSL has announced and released two new products. The first is their SU-6 DAC, as well as their new SH-6 headphone amplifier. So two new products, two new specs. For them, I will go over what both can do. But first, let's go over what the SH-6 can do, because they released two of them at the same time to be paired with each other. So if you're buying, you pretty much are better off buying the two at the same time. The SH-6, the SU-6 is a DAC that features the ES9038Q2M DAC in here. It's also coming with wireless support, Bluetooth support, running the latest Bluetooth 5.0, as well as also coming with a remote control. You can control it with it. It does feature op amp, new op amps. It's using the op amp 1612 into four higher end op amps. It's also going to feature a second generation Atmos solution. Supports DSD transmission, supports LDAC. LDAC it supports it at 24 bits at 96 kilohertz. High-res support here is also available. So it features the BCM 768 kilohertz at 32 bits. It's as good as you can expect it to be. It's definitely top notch. It has a new the new outer case is different from what they used to have. It has a newer design. It has a glass display panel. It's definitely more modern than what they previously used to have before, which I think is very interesting. Remote control is available for this as well to actually control it. You don't need to be there to be able to control it, and it will do its job pretty well. It does support Aptx HD. It does support Aptx HD, SPC, AAC, Bluetooth codecs. It's as good as it gets, and it should easily pair very well with the amp that it was released with. It does feature optical input, USB input, Bluetooth. It does have coaxial input, RCA output. It's as good as you can expect it to be. It will work with your Windows PC, Windows 7, 8, 8.1, and 10. It will work with your Mac OS, work with your Linux PC as well, and it's as good as it can, as at least as one would expect it to be. That's the new the new SU-6. So basically it's a really top-notch product. So let's go to the SH-6. The SH-6, on the other hand, is as premium as you can expect a headphone amplifier to be. It does have an ultra low distortion linear feedback circuit. It also can reproduce high-res audio quite literally. It's very good. The distortion on this is very low, so you will get no hum, no buzz on your headphones or IEMs. It does have a two-step gain setting. It's really powerful. Into 16 ohms, it will deliver a massive 2.6 watts into 16 ohms. That's ridiculously powerful. into 32 ohms, it can do 1300 milliwatts or 1.3 watts into 32 ohms, and that is a massive amount of power. It has a mini design, so the design is very tiny in look, and it has this classic look to it, but it's still maintaining the more modern finish that the SU-6 does have. So it's as good as you can expect it to be. Low noise is very necessary for most headphones to be able to produce the sound that you want without any buzz and annoying hiss. I hate hiss on my headphone, and it's definitely something that can be avoided if the headphone amp is built very well. So both are available. Leave a link to where you can pick them all up. This amp does also have RCA input, RCA pre-output, grand terminal output. You also have a 6.35 millimeter headphone jack. Has your gain switch, output switch. It's as good as you can expect it to be. Signal to noise ratio is 134 decibels, and it's as premium as you can expect it to be. So I'm going to leave a link to where you can go check it out, or at least purchase if you're interested in any of the two, or you can pair the two. And that's it. Do subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys next time.